How to get Nessa Barrett frame on TikTok profile picture. Let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now click on the search icon given at the top right. Now type in Nessa Barrett and then search for it. Head over to the profile page of Nessa Barrett. Once you're on the profile page, now how can you get Nessa Barrett TikTok frame? For that, what you have to do is click on the profile picture, click on the option add frame. You'll be directed to this page. Now you have to complete these steps to get access to Nessa Barrett TikTok frame. You'll need to either spin the wheel or you can choose any of the song given over here. To add song in your music app, then share the song to any of your TikTok friend. Then post in that song. And lastly, your friend also has to post in that song. With that, you'll get access to Nessa Barrett frame on TikTok profile picture. So first of all, click on add, then click on share and select any of your friend to send this song. Then create a video in the song. And lastly, remind your friend to post in that song. After you complete all these steps, you'll get access to the frame. To set frame in your profile picture, you can head back. Head towards your profile page, click on your profile picture, click on change frame. Now select Nessa Barrett profile frame and click on save. With that, it will be applied. So this is how you can get Nessa Barrett frame on TikTok profile picture. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.